Oh, good morning. My name is Tim Lindquist. I live in the Valencia, Newhall area. Um, I've been experiencing severe pain in my right hip for quite some time. Wasn't even sure that it was a hip. I thought I had back problems going down my leg. But after several x-rays, they showed that I had extreme arthritis in this hip joint, my right hip. And after a couple of years of on and off therapy, seeing doctors, I'm not sure that they were understanding the level of pain I was experiencing. Barely able to do anything. Finally had to quit working, retired, and then after seeing an osteo doctor for my situation, after 3 cortisone shots, which only lasted for a short time and really just didn't improve my situation hardly at all. Only lasted for maybe a few weeks sometimes. We said I was a good candidate for the surgery and recommended Dr. Alon Antebi. And sure enough, as soon as I saw him, he says, "Oh man, you need your hip replaced here. Thing's worn out." So, within a short amount of time, got approved from my doctor to have the surgery. And in January of 2023, had the surgery done. I walked out of that place within about 4 to 5 hours. From the time I went into for the surgery and the time I was actually walking out to the car, I think was a total time of 5 hours. Wasn't really feeling any pain. Of course, you're on some pain medications, but oh my goodness. Within a couple of weeks, I was back to doing exercises with my physical therapist, and my leg got stronger and stronger. I felt more secure with my right leg, and now, oh my gosh, it's October of 2023, and I can do everything. Squats, I'm exercising again, I'm lifting weights again. I won't say I'm running, but I can jog on the sand. I'm a surfer, so I've actually had 4 days of surfing. Kind of chokes me up since then. So anyway, just wanted to verify that anybody who needs a hip surgery, and I'm sure he does other surgeries, as well as major replacements of these joints, I would at least get an interview with Dr. Antebi and find out what he's got to say. And again, thank you, Dr. Antebi.